Hi, I'm Jessica from Hillside Adventures, and today I wanted to talk to you about our solution for a 2-week trip to Colorado and how we stored our clothes. So when we decided to take our 2-week trip, one of the things I needed to figure out was how we were going to store 2 weeks worth of clothes in this tiny camper. Well, my solution was to take this larger tub. This one has a handle and some wheels and a nice locking lid. And then grab these larger storage bags. And I got these off of Amazon. I can put the link down below in case you're interested. But they're not that expensive, and they actually hold a lot of clothes. We used them for our heavier jackets, jeans, shorts, shirts, that kind of thing, pajamas. And it really just kept like a mini dresser. It really did work well. So each of us had one. So I had 3 of these totes that stacked really nice inside of here. And then I also stored in here these smaller little packing cubes. And every night when we stopped, I would go into the bigger bags and pull out our pajamas and the clothes that we needed for the next day. And then I would take these smaller cubes and put them in the Venturist. And that really helped keep everything organized and a lot less clutter and stuff inside the camper. And then I also kept a large bag for our dirty clothes and a package of washing tablets, the laundry tablets, so that I could go to the laundromat and wash up our clothes kind of midway. And so this system really worked for us, and I hope that something like this might give you guys some ideas on what you guys could do. And if you've taken long trips in a small camper and had a good storage solution that works for you, I'd love to hear about it down below. It might help me improve on our setup. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next adventure.